If you want to use voice access on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, then first of all we need to go to settings, scroll down in the settings and choose accessibility, and then we want to go to interaction and dexterity. Over here we have a voice access, so let's open it. You can create a shortcut for the voice access, and you can also simply turn it on or off by tapping on this switcher. We need to allow the permission for the voice access to have full control over our device. Then over here we can agree to help improve voice access and other apps, but we can simply press no thanks, same as here. Then we can use to have a start listening button by tapping on this switcher. I'm gonna actually use it. And let's press done. Then we have the tutorial, so of course it is recommended to use it if you never used voice access before. Then of course go through it and learn a little bit more about it. Now over here we can choose to listen for commands whenever my screen is on, which is recommended, or we can also just stop listening after 30 seconds of inactivity. I'm gonna actually close this. And essentially, if you want to start using voice access, then in my case at least, I need to press this button. And after that, we can use a couple of voice commands. Here we have some example voice commands that we can use. So after pressing this button, I can say, first let's grant the permission actually. So let's choose this option and press continue. Go home. And this is how we can easily go to the home screen, for example. We can also say to go back, etc. You can check these commands in the previous menu that I had shown you over here, and also probably through the tutorial as well. You can go to notifications in order to, I believe, stop listening, or actually not. So, oh yeah, right, because I actually selected that after 30 seconds of inactivity, it will be disabled. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!